Can see a red cherry in my hand. This is it's not very an apple. It's not a ball. It's an apple. But let us suppose it's a new red cherry ball used for an epic test matches. Duke's ball or maybe SG ball or maybe Kookaburra, whichever you assumes. So if I just slightly tilt it towards the left side of me, this side, I would have to slightly tilt that ball. So now the air resistance on the right part, sorry, this part, the right part of the ball will be a lesser one as compared to this part of the ball, which means the air which is passing from this end will come at a higher speed as compared to this end. So what will do, this will make it ball fly towards the left part of the bowler's side, means it will be go outswing to the batsman. The moment you release it from your wrist, it will move towards this shape towards outside the batsman if it's a right hander, and if it's a right hander it will come into the batsman. This is the method of outswing for a right-hander bowler. Here I'm holding it with the left hand, but I'm telling about a right-hander bowler because I'm also a right-hander bowler. But now if I will just slightly tilt it towards the right side, this here. Now what will going to happen? And which is going to be same. I'm just slightly tilted here. I can't be able to do properly just because I'm holding camera from the other hand. So now the resistance from this part will be more lesser as compared to this part. So what will happen? The air will move at a faster speed within this area, and it will force it to come move the ball to release to this direction, and which will assume it out to be an in swinger for you. If you are a right hander it will come as an in swing. If you are a left hander it will go as an outswing, maybe go with the angle, you can say that. So this is the method of in swing and outswing you can do. For more better techniques, subscribe our channel.